Now, the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 05:05 on Sunday, the 15th of June. The general synopsis at midnight. Low, Fair Isle 1009, expected just north of Faroes 1005 by midnight tonight. High, just west of Fitzroy 1029, expected north Fitzroy 1030 by same time. Low, southeast Iceland 1010, losing its identity. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Sierra, south at Sierra. Southeasterly, veering westerly or southwesterly 4 to 6. Occasional rain, fog patches, moderate to very poor. 40s, Cromarty 4th, west or southwest, becoming cyclonic later 3 to 5. Occasionally 6 in 4th, also at first elsewhere. Occasional drizzle, fog patches at first, moderate or good. Occasionally very poor at first. Tyne, Dogger, west or southwest 3 to 5. Showers good. Fisher, German, Bight, west or southwest, veering northwest for a time, 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in Fisher. Showers, fog patches at first, moderate or good, occasionally very poor at first. Humber, Thames, Dover, west or southwest 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in Dover, veering northwest 3 or 4 later, fair, good. White, Portland, Plymouth, west or northwest 3 to 5, occasionally 2 later, showers, moderate or good. East 3 to 5 later, thundery showers at first in southeast, good, occasionally poor at first in southeast. South Fitzroy, northeasterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in southeast, perhaps scale 8 later in southeast, fair, good. North Fitzroy, East Seoul, variable 2 to 4, fair, good. West